We're out here on the east branch of the Shade River, Long Bottom, Ohio. Got a property, 10 acres with a newly built Amish cabin overlooking the east branch of the Shade River. Property is about 50% pasture, 50% wooded. It has some bottom area that runs all along the river, and then it has this nice high top up here. I'll try not to be too shaky for you here as I walk around. We're still touching some stuff up here. We've had a lot of equipment in here and whatnot, so we're going to be retouching the road. So I know that's coming here, but just wanted to give you kind of a tour. Amish fellas just pulled out. Want to show you our new cabin that we have here. One bedroom cabin with a loft. Nice setting right here, tucked back in the woods by itself. Nice little setting here. I'm gonna kind of go over here first before I go inside. I'll go up on the porch here. I don't know if you can hear in the distance. That's the east branch of the Shade River. You can actually hear the water. And I think you can actually see it here if I zoom in a little bit. Great little setting here. Sit here on your porch, relax, look at the water at the river, hear the water. You can fish, kayak, canoe, hunt. This east branch of the Shade River, we're about half a mile from the main branch of the Shade River, which runs directly to the Ohio River. So if you wanted to jump on a kayak and do some paddling, you could absolutely go to the Ohio River from here, and it's not all that far. Got a nice buckeye tree over here next to the cabin. I found a buckeye here yesterday. Also got a nice walnut tree on the opposite side. Some nice hardwoods through here. Just a really pretty setting. Alright. I'm going to give you the walk around to the cabin on the outside, and then going to go on the inside here. They just finished it this morning. This 10 acres, we have trails throughout it. It has a new 1,100-foot driveway that comes all the way back that leads to the cabin. And then actually I took a dozer in. And you can see the trails go down and then drop down in the property. So there's nice trails to get you around if you want to go exploring. Alrighty, go ahead and get you inside here. Shade Forest is actually just up the road 3 or 4 miles, so you're just a few minutes away if you want to go to the public hunting there. You have all that. There's a whole public recreation area available. Hunting, hiking, all kinds of stuff. Alrighty, get you inside the cabin here. It's unfinished in the interior. Let me close this door here. See, nice sliding glass door looking out. You can actually see the water from in here. Loft upstairs and storage up above the porch. You've got one bedroom. The walls do need to be finished. And then you got a nice living room here. Definitely enough space to put a tiny kitchenette in and, set up and enjoy. That's actually a hat from the Amish gentleman who built the cabin. They actually signed the hat, hanging on the wall in here. Yep, the fellow signed it, and they just got out of here actually just a few minutes ago. They did a wonderful job. Great location here. Neat little cabin, tons of possibilities. We go out the sliding glass door. And hopefully you can hear that. Just a great spot to be. We're in Long Bottom, Ohio, Meigs County. One bedroom cabin with a loft on 10 acres. New gravel driveway installed. Trails and ready for fun.